Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your 24-hour fitness membership, follow these step-by-step instructions to end your contract properly. Step 1. Locate and review your membership agreement to understand the specific cancellation policy, including any contract commitment period and required notice. Step 2. Determine if you're within a minimum contract term. If so, you may face an early termination fee to cancel before the contract expires. Step 3. Decide on your cancellation method. 24-hour. Fitness typically accepts cancellations in person at your home club, by phone, by mail, or sometimes online through your member account. Step 4. For in-person cancellation, visit your home 24-hour fitness club during staffed hours. Bring a valid photo ID to verify your identity and membership. Step 5. Go to the membership services desk and inform the staff that you want to cancel your membership. They will provide you with the necessary cancellation paperwork. Step 6. Fill out the cancellation form completely, including your name, member ID number, contact information, and reason for cancelling if requested. Step 7. Review the cancellation terms, including when your final payment will be charged and when your gym access will end. Typically, you'll need to provide 30 days' notice. Step 8. Sign the cancellation form and request a copy for your records. Make sure you receive dated confirmation that your cancellation was submitted. Step 9. For cancellation by mail, send a certified letter with return receipt to the address listed in your membership agreement. Include your full name, member ID, contact information, and cancellation request. Step 10. Monitor your bank statements to ensure no charges occur after your cancellation date. If you see any unauthorized charges, contact 24-Hour Fitness and your bank immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.